Happy birthday, oh.
Alright! Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday to me! Ay, nakablo na! Nakablo na! Nakablo na din ako ng kandol. Hindi pa ako nakablo ah.
Happy birthday to you.
Alright,
Go,
one, two,
yeah.
one,
Happy
two,
birthday! Go!
Wajud mi namahaw ay. I think they are my really true friends. Mr. Tang, thank you. Grabe boy. Limited box enjoyed. Here. Woohoo! Ito yung birthday ko na the best na birthday. Long table from here up to here. Long table, one of my best friend. Long table. Look. Grabe ba? I don't know. Yes, thank you so much, Lord mo. Dahil baby kami, mayroon kami favorite things. Ano? Yan, mga salad.
More than here.
Yan.
Get some soup.
Ang daming food, guys. Kaibigang, sweet food dito na Japan.
Exact 3 hours. 3 hours more.
Alright, mga friendship. It's a video. This is my friend, Mr. Tang, BFF yan. And also this one. Ooh. And this one as well. Kaon lagi bay. And this one. Oh, kaon ulit. Aray. Para sa birthday ko ha. Ako hindi, 3 years na. Alright guys, cheers.
Hoy, wag mong biglain. Pero si Ate Nets ang nabigla.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Oh my God. Sarap bay. Oh my God, bay.
Kinahanglan pa dyan ang approval ani ni.
Siyempre, siya rin mag-approve guys. Wala na hungog na layon ko. Sarap pare kuy.
Well,
Oh,
actually,
another one.
One. Pila kayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, yung black influence na nag-blow na sa kanyang cake.
3.